everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create the retro yearbook motion effect using PixVerse. It's completely free. This is that cool animated yearbook look that's been trending everywhere, and you can make it in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, just open PixVerse. You can use the website versions, or if you prefer, just using your phone. Just download the PixVerse app like this, and then next. Once it's open, just log in using your Google account. And don't worry, PixVerse will give you free daily credit so you can generate these animations without paying anything. And then next, just go to the template sections. This one, just tap on it. And then just go to search bar. And then just search for the yearbook. Like this. Just tap on it. Like this is the template that creates the iconic vintage school yearbook animation styles. And once the template appears, just simply tap on use template and then just upload your photo that you want to transform into the yearbook animations. For the best result, just choose a clear portrait photo, preferably front facing, valid and without any filters. Like this, and then after that, just hit create. It will take 20 credits. Just tap on it and then go back and then go to mine and wait for the process. Okay, your video is ready, your result is ready. Let's try to play it. Okay, like this, there it is. Your photo has officially become a moving vintage yearbook style clip like this. The effect looks super clean and the transformations of the outfit, it looks good. It's blend perfectly, and I think it's such a fun effect to use for TikTok reels or even as a creative edit. And so that's how you can turn any photo into a retro yearbook motion effect animation using PixVerse. It's totally free, and if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.